Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Solana on Trust Wallet. It's quite easy to get this done. All you need to do is make sure you've opened up your Trust Wallet mobile app. And now with the Trust Wallet mobile app opened up, by using the search icon at the top of the screen, click here and simply search for SOL. And we're going to be working with the native Solana, not the Solana on the XRP network or on the Binance Smart Chain. Click on this Solana, click on the buy option. By selecting the buy option, you're met with the buy section where you can simply enter the amount of Solana you wish to purchase. So let's say we need Solana for $10. All we need to do is enter the amount of Solana we wish to buy and simply click on Buy Sol. Click on Buy Sol and app.ram.network is going to open up. This is a provider for Trust Wallet, so you can securely buy or sell your cryptocurrency on the RAM platform. So now all you need to do is simply enter the amount of Solana you wish to buy. So let's say we need 10 Solana. Enter your location down here. And once you've set your location, let's go with my current location. Or let's go with the United States. Click on the United States and simply click on proceed. Enter your email address. So once you've entered your email address, and once you've entered your email, simply click on continue and simply add your card details. So click on card, click on continue once more, and you're met with the section where you simply add your billing address and your card details. Now, what you need to do here is simply put in your legal information and your card details as well, so you can actually purchase the Solana onto your Trust Wallet account. And once you've entered your billing address and the rest of the good stuff, all you need to do now is simply click on Save Billing Address and Proceed. By simply clicking on Proceed, you can then add your information, that's your credit card information, your credit or your debit card, onto the platform, and the Solana will be bought directly from your card. Now, once you've purchased the Solana, all you need to do is a simple reload, and you'd find that the Solana has actually been deposited on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can buy Solana on Trust Wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.